Hey guys, sorry about not uploading in about 6 to 7 months. Many things had come up, delaying planned videos, and it took me a long time for me to finalize them. But now hopefully I'm back at uploading without any interruption. Anyways, let's start the video. Okay guys, so what I will show you is 100% guaranteed working. You are on your Windows computer and you have, let's say, like too many files and you don't know what to do with them or where to put them. I have a simple solution to stop your files from being cluttered and just being, messy all around your computer. So on your typical Windows desktop right here, you want to right click and a menu looking like this should come up. Now you want to hover over to new and you want to click on folder. A folder should appear on your desktop labeled as new folder. And you can rename this. I'm just going to rename it to test, like so. And the thing that's cool about these new folders now is that you can like drag and drop anything in here. Say I'm just gonna grab like this file here, and then also I'm just gonna, you could even like make new files inside here. So I'll just make a new text document called test, and you can like make another file. So just Word document here. And another cool thing about new folders is that you can also like drag and drop other folders inside a new folder, but I'm not gonna get onto that. And you can drag the folder anywhere on the desktop, so you can just like put it there, and then like you could also put it in like another folder. Like there's many things you can do with new folders. It's very cool. And one thing is you can rename this anytime. Anyways, I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and as always, peace out.